So in this class, we'll learn how to operate a Bluetooth printer. Well, this is my Bluetooth printer, as you can see. And you see it comes with functions. As you can see those buttons there. But first things first, let me tell you what you will get when you newly buy a Bluetooth printer. What comes with it? The things that comes with it in its pack, if it's a newly bought one. Inside the pack, that's the carton, you will see a manual like this, that's the manual for it. You see a disc like this for those of us that will be using a computer, and you see a charger head like this. So me, I still keep mine intact even if I've started business for long. You understand? So these are the things that comes with a newly packaged Bluetooth printer when you get it from the shop. So do well to check for all of those in the carton before you buy it, because maybe we have no experience. You might go to a shop and you might not see all these things complete in a pack, which means they have cheated you. So with that being said, so now we'll go over to the functions of the Bluetooth printer. So like I said earlier, this is my Bluetooth printer, and in this button you see power on button. This is the power on button. This is the feed. So the purpose of this power on button is to on the Bluetooth. You on the Bluetooth for you to carry out your recharge card printing services. Okay, let's try that. And you see, once you on the Bluetooth, a green light will show. Then if it's printing out, it turns blue. I don't know how it works for other printers, but that's how my printer works. It either shows a green or a blue light. But if you see that the light is blinking, it shows that it's either the paper is not enough or the battery is low. You need to charge. So that's the function of this power on button. So now for this feed button is when you want to drag out paper from this paper from the Bluetooth. You don't use your hand to pull it, you use the feed button, as you can see. Yeah, so you use the feed button to bring out the paper from your printer. Yes, and when you're not using your Bluetooth printer, when your Bluetooth printer is not in use, make sure you remove the battery. This is where the battery is. I don't know if you've seen. Okay, this is the battery. So this is where the battery is. Anytime you're not using your Bluetooth printer, make sure you remove it and keep, because it helps in keeping the duration of the battery. Anything you're not using the battery, do well to remove the battery and keep aside safely. Take care of your Bluetooth printer. You shouldn't keep it in a harsh condition. Possible the carton that you use in buying it, preserve it, so that anytime you're done using the Bluetooth printer, you put back your Bluetooth printer there. So now, how do we insert the paper? The paper you use, I said in my previous classes, is the POS paper. Most Bluetooth printers use the 58mm POS terminal paper to print recharge cards. So now, how do you insert the paper? Once you get the paper, how does the paper look like? This is okay. Let me show you the ones I bought new. let's just leave that. So how does the paper look like? First thing first, you need to insert the paper inside the Bluetooth printer. As you can see, my paper is inside. So how do you do that? You use your two hands. It's your two hands. These two hands like this. You use it. You first of all hold this cover, as you see. This cover, these edges. Use your two fingers like this. Okay, no, two fingers like this to remove the cover, the lid cover. How do you do that? Press on it, and once you press on it, it opens. Once it opens, you can see my own is almost finished. It's almost finished, but if you want to purchase the paper, you go to any bookshop, ask them for POS paper. They will give you POS printing paper. They will give you. So this is how the paper looks like. But make sure you buy the small one, not the big one. So I've successfully removed it. This is the place where you put the paper. For those of you that have used POS before or that have done POS business before, you will know what I'm talking about. So that is it. You want to insert the paper now. Assuming you've gone to the bookshop and gotten your POS terminal paper, you put it. Make sure that as you're putting it, it is at this angle. The tail is out, so it's at this angle. You now fix it inside. As you fix it inside, then you now bring out a little bit of the paper outside. You bring it out a little, then you close it back. And as you bring it out a little, you use your hand to tear a small piece like this and throw away. Don't use scissors to tear it. You use your hand to tear it, a small piece. Then once you want to use it, you go back to this button, this power button, click on it, and then you print. So in next classes, in next class, you will get to learn how to print and other features you need to know concerning printing with the Bluetooth printer. Thank you.